mostly important, enjoy your flight.
Can we just say our names now?
Hey guys, it's me, Cookie.
It's me, Aqua. But by the way, Midnight is not here because she's doing her. Yeah. Yeah, she is. If you can't hear her, though. Can't hear.
If you can hear her, she says, I'm studying.
Yeah, she is. She said that.
Like, nothing is going on.
We're about to take off. Also, in here. Oh, wait lang. So, guys, I have my new name. It's called Aqua Bubble.
There is search on YouTube if you want to change your name. By the way, guys, check my name. See, Apple Bubble, even though his name is about
His name is Aqua Cream.
Cookie Cream.
Cookie Cream,
See the real name.
Yeah. Cookie Cream. Oh, it's so scary. It's weird. No, why are you not even sitting? Excuse me. Excuse me, I broke it again. I don't know why, but I always broke.
Hello, passengers. We are now cruising altitude.
What?
Feel free to get up to your seats and explore.
We already know how to play this game, so we already know. Yeah, we did. It was so hard.
Because some of us got disconnected, some of us died. Yeah, because some of us died when the plane crashed.
Yeah.
Like literally.
Yeah, like literally it's the plane crash.
Oh,
The plane crash, the plane crash.
This is not a plane crash, you dumbo.
I don't like the plane crash. It's so weird. Like, I don't like it. I don't like that part. Now my loading is good. What? I'm staying in the seat.
Oh my gosh. Someone has like low health right now.
I'm out.
OMG.
Dot.
OMG.
OMG.
What's on the right engine?
Oh, what is that?
OMG. Run. OMG, we're gonna
Oh, where's that red part? That means that's where it is. Ah! Oh. Ah! That scared me.
Why is this these people here?
And then why are they smiling right there doing nothing? Ah! Oh, it's right there. It's right there. It's gonna get us. Walk like that and walk like that and walk like that. Ah! Oh, it's chasing me! Oh, I see someone dead.
Stay away from the red bar.
I got a little bit of my health. Run away from the red. That was super scary. Oh yeah, I was over.
So we can go into the altitude. We're going to be serving some pizza. Yum!
Yum. Yeah.
You were there and you saw the monster right there.
You guys were right there.
You guys were right there at the back and we're all there hiding in the dark when there's some bread something. Yeah.
You are super dumb. You're
And
super
the
dumb.
smiling face is there and then we see nothing.
Don't eat one of your pizza at me. I'm not eating it. What happened?
Whoa, this girl, she was sitting down in her seat forever and then the monster was like,
didn't die?
Die. Hello everyone, this is your co-pilot. And
We're about to take off.
then we're gonna blah 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 blah. Can you talk?
What you know about? I'm gonna cut my hand. Ready, set, go. Ah!
I would like to ask everyone to return to their seats.
I'm already in my seat.
Okay. Everyone get a life jacket. She's too scared. This girl is so scared that she's gonna
Get dead by it.
yeah, she's gonna get the plane
Ah!
She's just scared of the plane crash part. It's
Yeah.
actually really scary because you have to
Good thing I'm all the way in the back.
I'm scared.
Good thing I'm in the back. Oh, what is this? What's happening?
We're going to plane crash again.
Get some light, Jack. Stay on the seat. Stay inside the seat.
No, I lost some health.
I didn't lose any health.
Get a life jacket. I got a life jacket.
Me too. Me too. Get the lot. Just in case. Just in case. I got one. I got one. Why is this
I
still?
lost a lot of health for jumping out of my chair.
We don't have that much health.
I'm going to faint.
Oh, someone almost died. Look at her.
She's scared, that's why.
Ah!
She's scared and she just died. She's dead.
Oh!
Run, near the...
Oh, hold on. She was the first one because she didn't want to die. Guys, stay on over here. Floating away. Guys, stay right here.
Wow, they're survivors.
Yeah!
Look at these two survivors. It looks like
Look, guys, all of us are all not Robux. And the Robux guy died. Some people thought I had just been Robux. You too. Yeah, you too. I said. Also that guy, but he doesn't. Time for running.
No, this one's the biggest house.
The shark is right there. Why is it going to that?
Oh, I'm dead. I'm gonna die.
Oh. The boat is too far. I'm running. Yes, you did it. Come on. Oh, I didn't know it's gonna go this way. Hey, get away from me, shark!
The shark is just right there far away. Why is it moving?
Why is he moving when he's just flapping the water? We're inland. I didn't even eat my pizza. How do you, can you get me? Get me. Ah! It just collapsed it on me. Oh, you have the lowest health I have the second highest. That guy. Okay, what do we do? What is this? What is that?
Whoa, that's the place where you get trapped in.
Oh, I got on top. Nope, I fell.
I don't want to put anything in.
But let's try to. We always die. I found raw apples. Wait, it might be poisonous, right? Do you remember?
Don't eat. Don't eat.
It might be like...
Come at me, bro.
No, what? There was a plank up there. Nope, don't eat. And then don't eat it.
This girl has it in her hand. Don't forget, eat it. You're gonna lose health.
Yeah, you're gonna get. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, there's a cave. That's good thing. Good thing there's a cave. Wait, what is that? I'm not sure. No. In here. That's my line. I hate you. Yeah, it's ugly. Why can we not? Oh no, about that. Yeah. Why do we have a light jackets when we don't even need it anymore? Good thing, what happens if I want the game like this, when you get stabbed, you will not get stabbed because you have this. Oh, the poisonous rain, what is that? It's Roblox facts. Oh, I didn't even got one. It's not here. Huh? I thought I was not even gonna die. Go inside. Is there a maze? Everybody. We're in here and how do you not even stop it? Oh my god, what was that? Kuya, what are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? We're inside the shutter and why are we changing into different people? Look at it.
I don't have shift lock, I'm dead.
No, I'm dead. It's so hard. Go back to lobby. So that would be part 2 in that video. So